Please stand by. Please stand by. Please stand by. The President of the United States, or one of his representatives, will shortly deliver a message over the emergency alert system. Please stand by. Please stand by. Please stand by. The President of the United States, or one of his representatives, will
This is a message from the United States government, the Department of Defense, and the North American Aerospace Defense Command authorized by the White House. Approximately 5 minutes ago, 32 intercontinental ballistic missiles were launched from unknown locations. These missiles are heavily speculated to carry nuclear warheads. The following targets include: in the Hawaii Aleutian Time Zone, Hilo, and Honolulu; in the Alaska Time Zone, Fairbanks; in the Pacific Time Zone, San Francisco, Seattle, Los Angeles, and Las Vegas; in the Mountain Time Zone, Cheyenne, Great Falls, Rapid City, Denver, Phoenix, and Albuquerque; in the Central Time Zone, Chicago, Minneapolis, St. Paul, Kansas City, St. Louis, Birmingham, and Nashville; in the Eastern Time Zone, New York City, Boston, Miami, Worcester, Hartford, Syracuse, Philadelphia, Baltimore, Winston-Salem, Durham, Raleigh, and Greensboro; in the Atlantic Time Zone, Ponce, and San Juan, Puerto Rico. Anyone within a 200-mile radius of the mentioned areas should seek a fallout shelter immediately. Fallout are radioactive materials that can spread for hundreds of miles from a nuclear explosion. Prolonged exposure to fallout can cause cell damage, cancer, leukemia, or death. The four main identifiable traits of a nuclear explosion are the light, heat, shock wave, and radiation. Light can easily temporarily or permanently blind a person. The heat can cause second, third, and fourth degree burns. Shock wave can cause buildings to collapse, and eardrums to rupture. The radiation can spread hundreds of miles from the blast site. At this time, you should immediately pack supplies for your stay in the fallout shelter. Please stand by for a message from the President of the United States.